Privates, welcome back. In this video, Kyle and I do our best impersonations of homeless people by hopping on a train. Now, in this video, like I said, Kyle and I hop on a train and we leave Brandy in the dust. Doesn't work out for any of us, but it was fun. So if you guys like the video and you like using the train to travel around Al Mazrah, feel free to drop a like down below or possibly share this with a friend. And if you're feeling extra generous, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. As always, stay tuned. Till next time. And then I had a shoulder injury, and doctors say it's the worst shoulder injury they've seen in quite some time.
Every doctor says that about every injury.
Bailey, go.
Yeah. I need a weapon.
Yeah, I'm about to go beat some fools right now. Hopefully I can find something.
Well, I got two guys down for you with weapons around here.
I have an armor box. I have a gun.
Three guys that are dead. Oh.
Nice. Give me your fucking weapon. Oh, I beat the bejesus out of him.
Activity in the area. Stay sharp.
Alright.
I found a medium backpack and a gas mask. Fuck him. Let me get Bailey. Let me get the old double barrel pump. Good call, good call. Is that a shotgun? These fucking... Oh, they're up on the roof.
Are they?
Yeah. They're being
Alright,
clean
come to you guys.
Got him.
Anybody want this double barrel?
No, I just dropped that one.
Oh, I see a
I'll
fuck.
take the cast off. Get out of my face.
Oh, I blasted this guy. Oh.
I'm inside the building. I found a weird room.
Oh, not a good idea. Not a good idea. Get me out of here. Fuck.
You good?
No. I mean, I'm
People.
alive still, but...
Where are you, Randy?
Right on the other side of the wall, the view.
Which way do we want to go, boys?
Oh, I got a Bryson now. Nope.
Yeah, I dropped that one.
Hell yeah. Oh, well, I guess I'm going back on the other side of the wall again.
You dropped some money, CJ.
Ultra One, UAV is bingo fuel and RTB.
Oh yeah, I want to know where the fuck's coming. Well,
Ultra
Is
One,
that a
this is
helicopter?
actual. UAV is established orbit.
oh, fantastic, my friend Dean.
They're
They're all
not...
inside.
There's not a lot, but... Oh, they are all here.
Contracts earns you
I'm going
cash
in.
to use at buy stations for gear and upgrades.
They're right on the other side of the door. Fantastic.
Two-plate carrier for somebody wants it.
Yup. Yes, please. Just taking care of some fuck.
They're on the inside.
Oh, they're not here anymore.
God damn, sir. Well, they got some money for you.
You said there's a two-plate carrier?
Yeah, I pinged it. It's over
Got
that way.
one.
Like mine?
Oh.
Next CJ, grab that one, yeah.
It was a stronghold. I want that stronghold.
I
How do
don't
we get in that stronghold?
I don't want to fuck. Oh, there's a key.
Stronghold key?
God damn this box. Oh, CJ just took it from me. You bastard.
No one's got a stronghold key, do they?
Not a stronghold key, I don't think so.
Damn it.
CJ, what'd the key say?
That was a warehouse key.
Yeah, there's a few over in this one that CJ's pushing to.
Yeah, that's the stronghold.
Is it?
Yep.
Open up, you fucks.
Why does it look like I can loot the tire rack?
What the hell? I'm not boarded. I want to be able to shoot in.
Bailey, stop licking the floor. You weird.
What the hell is that?
Ultra One, be advised, UAV is RTB at this time.
Oh, they're bringing in more guys. I see a chopper.
I'm moving up to that house.
Oh. I don't think
Medium
that's...
backpack.
What, baby? But I can't hear you. You need to speak up. No, baby, there's no gas right now. Not everything is always gas.
Ultra One, activity is increasing near your location. Stay alert.
There is nothing in this house. Oh, what's up, Habib? Stupid Habib with his dumb fucking face. Randy, you just booked it.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Well, there's a
left
medium
me.
backpack? Way the fuck over
Yeah.
there? Oh. Yeah, give me a second. Let me get the medium backpack.
There's
See-
two of them.
Alright, I need you guys up this way. I found a safe.
Oh, the train! Oh! You guys have fun with that. I'm gonna hit the train. Yeah, it's already been hit. Fuck it. Never mind. Nope. The entire train hasn't been hit. Minute.
Nope, I'm on the back.
Yep. Oh my god. I got a
Ultra One,
hurricane.
enemy operators have secured a weapons case. Targets are marked on your TAC map.
Ah, fuck. There's no way I'm making it.
Damn it. Give me a backpack.
There's
Damn
a
it.
medium one back here.
In the train?
Yeah.
I'm coming. Back. Back. I'm not doing okay. You go over there, Randy?
Yeah, I'm fine.
How far away are you? Oh god.
Miles.
Oh, CJ, hop out.
Up out?
Yeah, the train's done. We're gonna get Randy. Oh, I don't have a 2-plate armor carrier? I thought I did. Damn it, I already had a medium backpack. I didn't have a 2-plate. We're coming, sir.
Check around!
Up! We're here. There's a dude on the roof. Give me the fucking... Oh, there's another hurricane. Fantastic.
Ultra One, enemy operators have extracted a weapons case.
No. You good, CJ?
Yep.
Ultra One, activity has increased in the area.
There's some
Keep
dude
your
above
eyes
you,
open.
isn't there?
Mm-hmm.
Give me a second. Fuck you, Haji.
Grenade! Bollocks!
Fuck it, I'm done with this dude.
I'm
Don't fucking
funking.
touch me.
I need medical! Don't worry, you'll make it.
Thank you.
I'm good. Go! Taking fire!
I got a poppy farmer's house.
What
Key.
the fuck is that? What is shooting me?
Oh.
Oh, that's a team.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's a team. I'm fucking going dumb. I'm somewhat flanking. Okay, you run past.
Oh, hey,
Taking
there's one up
effective
top.
fire.
Is there?
Yep.
I can suppress that factor. I'm pushing. Oh fuck, he's just
Hey.
down. Behind.
Yeah.
I downed him. Fuck that guy. Oh, okay, never mind. I'll fucking assist.
I
some-
got you!
This guy.
Oh fuck, I'm hit.
Where from?
No,
Some
he's
spot-
sniping up top, Kyle.
Fuck.
Turn around.
Give me a second. There's people everywhere. Oh, fuck off, dude. No, you can see me. You guys have to give me a second. Is he jumping? Nope, he's sniping. Randy, go around.
I'm trying to push.
I'm not gonna be able to get this guy. Yeah, go towards me. You mind?
How the fuck did he get up there?
Start running. Oh,